Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken lollipop. Start by preparing your chicken wings. Push the meat down the bone to form that classic lollipop shape. Next, marinate the chicken with a flavorful blend of ginger garlic paste, vibrant red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Let it rest for about 30 minutes to absorb all those delicious flavors. Then, we'll add corn flour. Now, let's get frying. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan to a medium-high temperature, ensuring it's hot enough for a crispy exterior. Gently place the coated chicken lollipops into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are thoroughly cooked inside. Equipping yourself with the right gear is vital. Hand warmers or a small gas stove can provide portable heat, a true lifesaver in emergencies. Focus on high-calorie foods like canned goods or fat to keep your energy up and combat the cold's draining effects. Always have medical supplies, including bandages and painkillers, for injuries or illnesses. A sturdy axe or knife is indispensable for chopping wood and self-defense. Almost there. Once your chicken lollipops are perfectly fried, transfer them to the pan with the prepared sauce. Toss them gently until each lollipop is evenly coated in that delicious, glossy sauce. For a final touch, garnish with freshly chopped spring onions, adding both flavor and a vibrant color. Serve these hot and incredibly delicious chicken lollipops immediately as a fantastic appetizer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.